Dynamic liquidity stress testing, key techniques for Treasury management. In the world of Treasury management, dynamic liquidity stress testing is a crucial tool for assessing the resilience of a company's liquidity position under various scenarios. Let's delve into some key techniques that can help Treasury managers effectively conduct dynamic liquidity stress testing. Scenario analysis. One of the fundamental techniques in dynamic liquidity stress testing is scenario analysis. This involves simulating a variety of potential market and economic scenarios to assess the impact on the company's liquidity position. By analyzing various scenarios, Treasury managers can better understand their organization's vulnerability to different market conditions. Cash flow forecasting. Accurate cash flow forecasting is essential for dynamic liquidity stress testing. Treasury managers need to have a clear understanding of the company's incoming and outgoing cash flows to assess liquidity under stress. By creating detailed cash flow forecasts, Treasury managers can identify potential liquidity shortfalls and take proactive measures to address them. Liquidity risk metrics. Utilizing liquidity risk metrics is another key technique in dynamic liquidity stress testing. Metrics such as the liquidity coverage ratio, LCR, and the net stable funding ratio, NSFR, help Treasury managers quantify and monitor the company's liquidity risk exposure. By comparing these metrics against regulatory requirements and internal thresholds, Treasury managers can assess the adequacy of their liquidity buffers. Contingency planning. Effective contingency planning is critical for managing liquidity risk. Treasury managers should develop contingency plans that outline specific actions to be taken in the event of a liquidity crisis. These plans should include clear escalation procedures, liquidity management strategies, and communication protocols to ensure a coordinated response to potential liquidity stress events. Stress testing scenarios. When conducting dynamic liquidity stress testing, Treasury managers should consider a range of stress testing scenarios. These scenarios should cover both market-related stress events, such as interest rate shocks or credit rating downgrades, as well as idiosyncratic events specific to the company or industry. By testing a diverse set of scenarios, Treasury managers can assess their organization's resilience to various types of liquidity stress. Technology and automation. Utilizing technology and automation can streamline the dynamic liquidity stress testing process. Treasury management systems can help Treasury managers aggregate and analyze data more efficiently, enabling them to conduct stress testing on a more frequent basis. Automation can also improve the accuracy of cash flow forecasting and scenario analysis, reducing the risk of human error. Dynamic liquidity stress testing is a critical component of effective Treasury management. By employing key techniques such as scenario analysis, cash flow forecasting, liquidity risk metrics, contingency planning, stress testing scenarios, and technology automation, Treasury managers can enhance their organization's liquidity risk management capabilities and better prepare for unexpected liquidity challenges. Want to learn more? Claire Trifle on LinkedIn